Good afternoon, dear friends. Today I want to show you a strategy that I have been testing for more than a month and it shows simple amazing results. This strategy is called improve that. From the name you can understand that with the help of the strategy you can quickly and without much risk increase your deposit. The main thing is to follow it correctly. Let's analyze the essence of the strategy. First, you need two indicators to your chart. This is the moving average indicator and the rate of change indicator. Next, you need to configure these two indicators. I have already edited and configured them. The settings for these indicators will be in the description of the video. Next, you need to set the opening time of the transaction for 2 minutes, as well as the amount at which you will open transactions set from 1 to 5% of your deposit. This is necessary to comply with risk management. If our risks are greater than our potential profit, then such trading will be unprofitable for us, and we will lose more than we earn. Therefore, I recommend an amount from 1 to 5% of the deposit. So, then you add all trading pairs to your chart, except OTC pairs. On OTC pairs, the trading strategy does not work out as well as on a regular one. Now I will tell you what is the essence of trading on this strategy. So, the first thing we should pay attention to is the trend. The moving average indicator can help us with the trend. If the price is higher than the moving average indicator, then the trend is upward. If the price is lower than moving average indicator, then the trend is downward. So, we see that the trend is downward. Then the price crosses the moving average line from the bottom up, which means an uptrend has begun. We are looking at the rate of change indicator. At the moment of the downtrend, the rate of change indicator line was also below the zero level, and all we need is to wait for the rate of change indicator line to cross the zero line from bottom to top. And here, at this moment, we have to open a deal for an increase of 2 minutes. And the same thing is the other way around, we see an uptrend, after which the price crosses the line of the moving average indicator from top to bottom. This means that a downtrend has begun. We also see that on the rate of change indicator during the uptrend, the price was above the zero line. This means that after the price crosses the moving average line from top to bottom, we wait for the indicator line to cross the zero line from top to bottom on the rate of change indicator. And at this movement we open a deal for a decrease of 2 minutes. The most important thing is not to open trades in which the rate of change indicator line crosses the zero line before the price crosses the moving average line. With such trading, you will get a lot of unprofitable trades. So let's check how effectively this strategy works. We are starting the trading session in New York, in the midst of New York, which promises us good volatility. This means that our transaction will be technical, which is what you need. So I'm starting a trading session and looking for a suitable opportunity to enter a position. Go! Well, as you can see, according to the trading paths that we looked at, we already had a good opportunity to enter the position. As you can see, the trend was upward, after which the price crossed the moving average line from top to bottom, and after that the rate of change indicator, or rather its line crossed the zero line, also from top to bottom. There was a sell signals here. I opened a little bit more profitable than that at this movement, and now I am waiting for the continuation of. I first deal went into the plus. If I get a negative deal, I will work on the martingale system. I will double the price of the next deal to recoup the negative deal, as well as earn more. But since this deal has gone into the plus, we just look further. So, in this example, we have a great opportunity to open a deal for a reduction. I'll explain why. Because during the uptrend, when the price was above the line of the moving average indicator, we also had the rate of change indicator, or rather its line, was above zero. After the price crossed the moving average line from top to bottom, a downtrend began. Confirmation of this downward trend was the intersection of the rate of change indicator line of the zero line from top to bottom, which happened here, where I opened the deal. Now we are waiting for the end of this transaction. Unfortunately, our second transaction turned out to be negative in terms of profitability. What will I do? As I said before, I will work on the martingale system. I issue the transaction price twice in order to recoup this negative transaction, as well as to earn more. Negative deals of cost. Now trading strategy will have 100% win rate, but we will try to improve our win rate and strive to ensure that it is around 70 to 80%. Actually, you just need to work on your trading strategy and not deviate from it, as well as comply with risk management. Well, a small digression, and so we'll look further. So, here I will open a deal for a raise. I will explain why. We were locally in a downtrend, also the rate of change indicator line was below the zero line, after which we see a good start of the uptrend, the intersection of the moving average line from bottom to top, and at the same movement we have the rate of change indicator line crosses the zero line. This is a very strong signal to open a deal for an increase. So I could not miss such a deal. We are waiting for its completion. Great. A third deal went into the plus. Thereby we bought a second negative deal and also $74 on top. This is thanks to the Mettingle system. Trade with it and you will level your drawdowns. Well, let's look further. So here I also saw an excellent opportunity to open a position for the client, since the price was trading on uptrend, and after the price crossed the line of the moving average indicator, the line of the rate of change indicator also crossed the zero line. As I said in the previous deal, this is a strong signal to open a deal for a decrease or for an increase of the situation is reversed, but in any case, the signal is very strong and I don't miss such signals. We are waiting for the completion of this transaction. Right, in the last seconds our deal went into the plus. This is a very good, but I still predict that in the future the price will go in a downward trend. We were very lucky here, but in a good way. The price should have gone down immediately, but decided to adjust. In any case, the deal has gone into a plus, so we are looking further. So here I will open a downside deal, because we have a great opportunity to continue the downtrend, since the price is already in a downtrend. It is below the moving average indicator line, and the rate of change indicator line has crossed the zero line from top to bottom. This also signals the beginning of a downtrend, plus I see where there are a lot of red candles, which indicates that we have a strong downtrend. Therefore, here I am opening a deal to continue this trend. We are waiting for the completion of this transaction. Great. As I said, the downtrend has continued. It is important to see such deals and understand the trend. This will help you a lot when trading on this trading strategy. So, let's read the results for today. 1, 2, 3, 4 deals went into the plus and 1 deal into the minus. But since we were working on the martingale system, we got this negative deal end on top. The win rate for today's trading session is 80%, and I believe that today's trading session can be finished with ease. As you can see, the trading strategy works, has a very good win rate, and justifies its name improved that. As you can see, our deposit has increased. We have not lost due to smart risk allocation. I do not put a risk on a transaction of more than 5%, due to which I feel safe about losses. If I put too much risk on the transaction, then this negative transaction could hit my deposit very hard. And as it was, I practically didn't feel it. So I also bought this negative deal right away using the martingale system. So, trade on this trading strategy confidently. Observe the same parameters as I do, set the same indicator settings that I will post in the description of the video, as well as trade with a clear head, increase your deposit and develop. Thank you all for watching and see you soon, and be sure to subscribe to the channel in the Telegram. The link is in the description of the video.